At 60, many people are afraid of water, afraid to submerge, afraid of running out of breath. But in truth, water isn't something to fear. Water is where we can rediscover our youth. Hello, my friends. If you're watching this video, I believe there's still a spark in you, a quiet passion, a desire to move, to breathe deeply, to feel your body strong and alive. Today, I want to invite you to learn something special with me. A technique that can help you swim more smoothly, control your breathing better, and truly feel the freedom of water. It's called the flip turn, a smooth underwater roll used in freestyle and backstroke, combined with mindful breathing. And before we begin, if you're ready, leave the number 1 in the comments below. I want to know you're here, learning and moving with me today. Let's begin. Before we dive in, I want you to understand something. Swimming isn't just exercise. For older adults, it's a way to slow down, to feel every breath, every movement, and every heartbeat. When we swim, the water lifts our weight, relieves joint pressure, and softens stiffness in our muscles. And when we learn the flip turn, we train our body's ability to coordinate, balance, and breathe deeply. It's more than a physical exercise. It's a gentle reminder, this body still can. Before practicing, let's understand what the flip turn really is. It's a 180-degree roll in the water, used to change direction when reaching the pool wall. But at our age, the flip turn isn't about competition. It's about maintaining flexibility, confidence, and mastery over our breath. As we age, our neck, shoulders, and hips lose some flexibility. That's why warming up is essential. Rotate your neck and shoulders gently. Move your hips, stretch your back. Feel your body opening up. And don't forget your breath. Inhale softly, then exhale slowly through your mouth or nose as your face dips into the water. When you see bubbles rise, that's your body breathing correctly. Think of these first few minutes as a small ritual. Slow, calm, and deeply important. Like preparing your mind before beginning a meaningful journey. Now comes the most exciting part. The moment when your body, your breath, and the water become one. Imagine your body as a leaf falling onto the surface of a calm lake. No force, no tension, just softness and flow. As you approach the wall, slow down a little. Take a small breath in and exhale completely. Empty lungs help your body roll smoothly without floating up too fast. Now tuck your knees, tighten your core, and let your chin touch your chest. Let your body roll, slowly. There's no need to rush or force it. All you need is a gentle rotation, just enough for both feet to face the wall. When your feet touch the wall, don't push too hard. Push gently, as if sending your energy into the water. Keep your arms stretched forward, your head between your arms, your body straight. Hold your breath for a second or two, then slowly exhale through your nose as you glide. The glide feels peaceful, quiet, almost meditative. When you rise back to the surface, don't rush to inhale. Finish your first stroke before taking your next breath. By then, your lungs will have found their rhythm again. Research shows that older adults who swim 3 times a week can increase lung capacity by up to 30%. And the flip turn, with its controlled breathing, is like yoga in the water. If you ever feel disoriented while rolling, open your eyes and look for the light above the water. That light will guide you, gently and safely. And if you don't get it right the first time, don't be discouraged. The flip turn doesn't need to be perfect. What matters is that you tried, that you still believe your body can move, roll, and adapt beautifully. If you've made it this far and find this part helpful, please comment OK below. I'd love to know you're following along, trying this with me, and still believing in what your body can do. No one masters the flip turn in a single day, but each attempt, each gentle roll in the water is progress. Start easy. For the first 2 weeks, just practice breathing and gliding. Inhale deeply, exhale through your nose, and watch the bubbles rise. Feel your breath leaving your body. By weeks 3 and 4, start practicing slow rolls without changing direction. Get your body used to that inverted feeling without dizziness. By weeks 5 and 6, try a full flip turn. Touch the wall and push off lightly. Keep your breath steady, avoid gasping or holding it too long. And from week 7 onward, you can combine breathing and turning seamlessly. Swim 3 or 4 gentle laps, no rush, no pressure. Let the water carry you. After a few weeks, you'll notice your lungs growing stronger, your breathing longer, and your mind calmer. And always remember to smile when you rise to the surface. Smiling, too, is a form of deep breathing, joyful and full of life. Swimming is joy, but that joy is only complete when we stay safe. If you feel tired, full, or your blood pressure is high, skip the flip turn that day. Listen to your body. When swimming backstroke, don't roll immediately. Turn your body face down first, then roll. It helps with direction and safety. And most importantly, don't practice alone. Swim with a friend, a loved one, or a coach nearby. Just having someone there makes you feel secure, helps you breathe easier, and boosts your confidence. When we respect our limits, we're not being weak, we're being wise. Because knowing how to fear safely is another way of loving yourself. Life is like the surface of a lake. Each time we turn, we're renewed. Each roll is a reminder to breathe deeply, to release, and to let the water hold us. If you've reached this point, it means you've chosen to swim with time, not against it. The flip turn isn't just a technique, it's a philosophy. To turn, to adapt, to begin again, no matter your age. Let every breath, every touch of water remind you, my body is still strong, my spirit is still free. If this video inspires you, don't forget to subscribe and join me as we explore more of what the water can bring to life, even and especially after 60.